In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook lead ads to N8N. This process might seem a bit technical at first, but I'll walk you through each step to make it as simple as possible. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate Facebook lead ads with N8N, ensuring you can effortlessly manage your leads in one place. To get things started, you'll need to create new credentials within N8N. Begin by navigating to the Credentials section in N8N, where you'll find the option to Create New. This is your first crucial step because creating new credentials will allow Facebook lead ads and N8N to communicate securely. Once you're in this section, you'll need to select Facebook lead ads from the available options. This selection tells N8N exactly what type of integration you're setting up, ensuring the process is streamlined and efficient. At this stage, it's important to have your Meta app details on hand. Specifically, you'll need the client ID and client secret. Both of these are unique identifiers for your application and help authenticate your requests, ensuring they're coming from a legitimate source. Carefully enter these details into the designated fields in N8N. Remember, precision matters here, so double-check that you've entered everything correctly to avoid any hiccups later on. Next, you'll encounter the OAuth2 redirect URI field. For those unfamiliar, OAuth2 is a protocol designed to allow secure authorization. Here, you'll need to set the OAuth2 redirect URI to a specific address, which in this instance is https N8N OAuth2 callback. This URL is where Facebook will redirect users after they've granted permission, completing the OAuth flow. Make sure you copy and paste this URL accurately. It serves a pivotal role in the authentication process. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, your final step is to save the credentials. This might seem like a simple action, but it's crucial. Saving the credentials ensures that all your hard work is safely stored and your integration with Facebook lead ads is ready to roll. With everything saved, your credentials will now be active, allowing seamless communication between Facebook lead ads and the N8N platform. As you progress, remember to periodically check on your integrations to ensure everything is functioning as expected. This proactive approach helps in catching any potential issues before they escalate. And that's it! You've now successfully connected Facebook lead ads to N8N. This integration not only saves you precious time by automating lead management, but it also enhances your ability to respond to new leads quickly and efficiently. Keep exploring N8N to uncover more opportunities for automation and streamline your digital workflow even further.